As a student of Southern City College, Birmingham, you not only get access to all of the Microsoft Office suite, but you are able to download it and install it on your own devices as well. So let's look at how we actually go about doing this. On the college website, that's sccb.ac.uk, we click on the My College link at the top. And that takes us to all of the links for our online learning. The link that we're interested in this video is the Microsoft Office 365 link here. So if we click on that, it asks us to sign in. So let's sign in. And here's where you need to add your student email address. So that's your student ID number, which is on your badge with the S in front of it. So it's S and then your student ID number at sccb.ac.uk, and then click Next. And we just need to enter our password in here. So enter your password and then click Sign In. So as soon as you're signed in to Microsoft Office 365, you'll see it welcomes you on here. What we're interested in for this video is this link at the top here where it says Install Office. So if we click on that, we're given two options. The first one, Office 365 apps. So that includes Outlook, OneDrive for Business, etc., etc. And then other install options, so different languages, etc. So we're interested in this top one that's highlighted here. So click on that, and it will then download the executable file to your computer. And if you follow the instructions on here, so once it's actually downloaded, click Run, say yes, start installing, and then you have to stay online for it to complete the installation. And then once that's done, once it's fully installed on your device, you can then access the full Microsoft Office suite, the full apps on your own device. Now this allows you to install it on multiple devices, and that's not just computers, so desktops and laptops, but that's also mobile devices, so tablets and smartphones as well. For the tablets and smartphones, all you have to do is go to your device's app store and search for the individual apps. So if it's Word, search for Word, and if it's PowerPoint, obviously search for PowerPoint. Once installed there, when you launch them, it will ask you to log in. And again, just log in using your student email address and your network password that you would use to log in at college.